Hello and welcome to Zameer sir, your daily dose of current affairs for all competitive exams. Get ready to boost your knowledge with today's important questions and answers. Let's begin our current affairs quiz for the day. Our first question is: Japan recently signed a free trade agreement, FTA, with which country? Our options are: A. European Union, B. Brazil, C. United Kingdom, D. Saudi Arabia. Our correct answer is C. United Kingdom. Japan and the United Kingdom have signed an FTA to enhance trade relations. Our next question is: Where was the 11th World Future Energy Summit, WFES, 2024 held? Our options are: A. Riyadh, B. Abu Dhabi, C. Doha, D. Dubai. Our correct answer is B. Abu Dhabi. The summit was held in Abu Dhabi to promote innovation in the energy sector. Our next question is: Until which year has Rajendra Singh been appointed as chairman of the National Water Mission Council? Our options are: A. 2026, born in 2025, circa 2027, D. 2024. Our correct answer is A. 2026. Rajendra Singh, known for his water conservation work, has been appointed until 2026. Our next question is: Which unit of the Indian Army has recently adopted the Integrated Mobile Camouflage System? Our options are: A. Para Commando, B. Armored Corps, C. National Rifles, D. Engineering Regiment. Our correct answer is B. Armored Corps. This system helps conceal armored vehicles from enemies. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Our next question is: Which state government has declared heat wave, sunstroke, and sunburn as state-specific disasters? Our options are: A. Maharashtra, B. Telangana, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Karnataka. Our correct answer is B. Telangana. Due to rising heat and casualties, Telangana has declared these as disasters. Our next question is: The 20th edition of the Secretariat Reform Report was released by which ministry? Our options are: A. Prime Minister's Office, B. Ministry of Finance, C. Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Our correct answer is C. Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. This ministry publishes reform-related reports to enhance government efficiency. Our next question is: According to ACI 2024, which Indian airport ranks 9th among the world's busiest airports? Our options are: A. Indira Gandhi International Airport, B. Chennai Airport, C. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, D. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. Our correct answer is A. Indira Gandhi International Airport. Located in Delhi, it ranks among the top in international passenger traffic. Our next question is: Under Sankalp 2047, which project has the Postal Department launched? Our options are: A. Har Ghar Dak, B. Post Office 2.0, C. Digital India Mail, D. Smart Postal Network. Our correct answer is B. Post Office 2.0. This initiative aims to digitize and modernize postal services. Our next question is: which Indian state leads in geographical indication, GI tag, registrations? Our options are A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Madhya Pradesh. Our correct answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. UP has the most GI tags, including Banarsi saris, Lucknow chikankari, etc. Our next question is: the ship Metricton New Dream sails under the flag of which country? Our options are A. India, B. Malta, C. Liberia, D. Panama. Our correct answer is C. Liberia. The ship was under the Liberian flag when attacked by Houthis. Our next question is: which international city has declared 14th April as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Day? Our options are A. New York, B. Paris, C. Dubai, D. London. Our correct answer is A. New York. New York honored Dr. Ambedkar's contributions by dedicating this day. Our next question is: where was the handloom exhibition organized by the National Handloom Development Corporation, NHDC? Our options are A. Noida, B. Jaipur, C. Ahmedabad, D. Bhopal. Our correct answer is A. Noida. The exhibition aimed to promote Indian handlooms. Our next question is: which space agency has begun testing for oxygen production on the moon? Our options are A. ISRO, B. NASA, C. European Space Agency, ESA, D. Japan Space Agency. Our correct answer is C. European Space Agency, ESA. ESA is working on technology to extract oxygen from lunar soil. Our last question is: Prime Minister Modi recently inaugurated projects worth 10,000 crore rupees in which state? Our options are A. Jharkhand, B. Haryana, C. Uttarakhand, D. Bihar. Our correct answer is B. Haryana. These projects will improve industrial and infrastructure development in Haryana. That's it for today's quiz. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zameer Sir for more daily current affairs. Stay updated, stay ahead with Zameer Sir.